Hello everyone, welcome to Edupedia World videos. We are learning PowerPoint and my name is Neeru Verma. Topic for today's session is inserting audio. And starting with the introduction, PowerPoint allows you to add sound to your presentation. You may add background music to one slide. You can also add sound effect to another and some narration and commentary to another few slides. You may add an audio file from your computer or browse the PowerPoint collection of clip arts. You can then edit the sound within the PowerPoint so they are tailored to your presentation. Then moving forward with the course goal, in this session we'll learn about inserting the audio. We'll insert the audio from a file on the computer and we'll learn how to insert the audio from a clip art. Then we'll learn about recording your own audio. We'll discuss about working with the audios, like how to trim an audio, how to add a fade in and fade out effect, and how to add a bookmark and how to remove the bookmark. Also we'll discuss about the audio options, and those are volume of the audio, start option, how do we hide the audio icon in the slideshow, and loop until stopped, rewind after playing. These are certain options which are associated with the audios. We'll learn and study about all of them. Then we have an option formatting the audio and to change the icon to a different picture. Alright. First we'll discuss a few things about inserting the audio. You must have watched a PowerPoint presentation that seemed to be narrated itself. You can say as this is the video which you're watching. This is a narrated video, but I have not created it in the PowerPoint. You do have an option where you can record your own audio or you can prepare a narrated PowerPoint presentation. So we learn in this session how do we do it. We do have seen certain videos where you might have heard the applause when the last slide was reached. That is also a part of it. It means some audio is inserted in the slide. These are few examples, the narrated slide or wherever you find that some applause is added on the end. So these are some examples where we can find that the audio is inserted in the PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint allows you to insert the audio from your own computer. You have a file, audio file on your computer, and you want to insert that in the presentation. So you do have the option to do it. And the second thing is you can search in the ClipArt Studio and that voice that you have chosen, you can insert that in your presentation, and later on you can edit that as well. It means you can trim that particular audio that you have added. So in this session we'll learn how we can play around with the audio. How do we insert it? So starting with the first option, if you want to insert the audio file from your computer, then what do you have to do? You need to click on the Insert tab first. Click on the Insert tab and then you have an option Audio. On the right hand side extreme you have option Media, Videos and Audios. You have to click on the drop down below this audio option. Now you have got the options audio from a file, clip art audio or record audio. Now suppose we have to select this option audio from a file. Now it asks you to browse the location, that where is the location of the audio file. So this is how the audio file is inserted in your PowerPoint presentation. You have some song or you have some other kind of file that you want to include. You just have to click on the audio, click on the Insert tab here, then click on the audio option, audio from a file. Browse the file. We have some songs also. Suppose you select this file, click on Insert. You have got this song inserted. So whenever you're going to play the slideshow, you have an option to play this audio also. Let me show you. Click on the slideshow and from the current slide. Oh, okay, course go. This is the file. Once you click on this icon, you can listen to the song. So in this way, you can add any audio file in your presentation. Now second, we have the option to insert clip art audio. If you want to insert the audio from a clip art, then you need to again follow the same path. Click on the insert, then audio drop down, and this time you have to select clip art audio. Now on the right hand side you will get a window, clip art, search for, and result should be the selected media type. Okay, this is the kind of file we are looking for. Let's see if we find some sound here. Click on this preview property. Yeah, these are the keywords actually. We have entered claps, so we have got this particular file. This is a part of the clip art. You can enter any keyword, voices, sound, person, claps, clapping, cheers. If you're going to enter any of this keyword, you will get this particular file. Now suppose if you want to insert this file, you can right click on this and you can click on insert. This is the file, insert it. Okay, so in this way this particular file is inserted in your slide. Now the third option is recording your own audio. Sometimes you may want to record audio directly to the presentation, like if you want the presentation to include narrations. Before you begin, make sure you have the microphone that's compatible with your computer. Many computers have built-in microphones or one that can be plugged into the computers. If you have the microphones, then only you can record the audio or the narrations. For recording your own audio, you need to click on insert and then select audio option here, record audio. Click here. You will get a dialog box which asks you to enter the name of the file first. Recorded sound is the default name it's giving you. Let's say we do it recorded sound 1. You can change the name, you can enter any name here. Test recording. And now you have a record button. This is the red button. You can click here to start the recording. Hello, this is a test recording. Now click on the stop button here. Click on the play icon. Let's see. Hello, this is a test recording. Now click on OK. So this is how you have recorded the file. This is the file that we have created and it got inserted here on the slide. Hello, this is a test recording. Alright. So this is how we can insert the audio in the slides in the PowerPoint presentation. So in this session we have learned how do we insert the files, the audio files from the computer, and how do we insert the audio files from the clip art. You just have to select the clip art option and then search for the option. You can enter any keyword here, click and go. It gives you the options available with the PowerPoint. You can insert that on your PowerPoint presentation. You just have to right click on the file and click on insert. That would be inserted in your presentation. Then third, we have learned how do we record our own audio. For recording your own narration, you just need a microphone. Either it has to be internal with the laptop or the system on which you are working, or you have to arrange or you have to connect an additional microphone with your system, with your laptop. Then just what you have to do is you need to click on the audio, then click on record audio, and it give you the option to record your own voice or your own narration. And that file, once you click on the stop and click on OK, the file would be by default inserted on your slide, as we have inserted this file. You can click on the play icon and you can listen.
Hello, this is a test recording.
So this is how we can insert the audio in our PowerPoint presentation. So that was it about inserting the audio session. In the next session, we'll discuss more about audios, like how to trim audio, how we can add the fade in and fade out effect, and what does that mean, and how to add a bookmark and how to remove the book. So that was it for today's session for inserting the audios in the PowerPoint presentation. Thanks everyone. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.